If you are looking to make magical Christmas memories, we've got you covered. For the first time, Enchant has come to Milwaukee. Get ready to experience the twists and turns of the world's largest Christmas labyrinth. And we will give you some tips for planning an enchanted evening of your own. This is not just a light maze, it is a memory-making, immersive event for the whole family.
This is the world's largest Christmas maze right here in Franklin, Wisconsin.
There are several paid parking options available, which we recommend purchasing in advance with your ticket. After you purchase a ticket, you'll receive an email with a scan code. Have that scan code handy, as that will contain your parking information, your entrance information, and any other add-ons you have selected. When we got there, I have to say we were a little overwhelmed with the crowds. There were at least 3 lines that were quite long to enter the park, but it went pretty quick, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it went much faster than you would have expected.
Took about 15 minutes to get in, and there were plenty of photo opportunities on the way in. These events are actually held at ballparks around the United States, so there is ample room for parking and for crowds to really disperse once you're inside.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in Franklin, Wisconsin.
We are at Enchant Milwaukee. This is the world's largest light maze.
What?
I know, it's so exciting. Milwaukee is one of, I believe, 7 cities that was selected to host the event this year.
Oh my goodness.
We're so excited to share it with you.
Thanks for being here.
Part of the fun then is to go through the maze and try to find the objects. So in the maze that we went to, Santa's reindeer had got let out of the barn by a mischievous elf, and we needed to help Santa find his reindeer.
And the kids were just loving it. They get a scratch-off ticket. Every reindeer they find, they get to scratch it off.
Okay, so Love Nester tip, we found a way that if you go up by the drinks, there's actually more than one entrance into the maze, so we're hoping to avoid some of the crowds this way. So we found Dasher. Part of the fun of this event is to find the reindeer that are hidden throughout the maze. So one of the things you can do at this event is a proposal. Look at that. There's a giant diamond, and you can make special arrangements to make your engagement even more exciting.
Wow.
More dancing on the dance floor. Come on, kiddos. Jump up and down. Let's go.
And as I always say, you can't go wrong with a robot. One of my favorite parts was the center tree. It was so huge, and I think there was 1 million lights just on the center tree.
So that massive tree in the center of the maze is 100 feet tall. Hey there, we made it to the center of the maze, to this giant tree. If you're enjoying our adventures, we'd sure appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out, helps other people find the channel, and lets us know that we're providing the kind of content that you enjoy.
Thanks for being here.
They have different event evenings. You'll want to check the website. There's a military night, there's a night you can bring your pet, there's college student night. So be sure that you check online for that. There's also different package deals online that you might be able to get some savings if you're going in a larger group. We'll put a link in the description so that you can easily access that.
Not a whole lot of people in the Jingle If You're Single area. Okay, we found Cupid. So this is Rudolph.
And it did not feel nearly as crowded as we thought it would feel.
It did not feel crowded at all.
In fact, the crazy thing is we thought we had found all of the reindeer, only to come home and find that we had only found
What?
6 out of 9. So we missed
Loser.
a third of the maze.
Hey there! Are you having fun? So we found the giant ornament. This place is pretty much full of families taking photos. Photo opportunities everywhere. There's Prancer, right outside the giant ornament. So there's an ice skating rink. There is a fee to ice skate. Whether you bring your skates or not, it's $15, I believe, per person, and it does require a reserved time slot to skate.
Hey, if you want to take a ride on the sleigh, just go to Enchant Milwaukee.
The great photo op. This is a first time for Milwaukee. Who knows if it'll be here again. So come out and get tickets. They're still available through December 31st.
Thanks for being here.
So you go all over the United States to do this event?
Absolutely. We're really excited to be offering this in 7 different locations this year, all the way from the West Coast in California and San Jose to the tip of Florida in St. Petersburg.
This is a fantastic event, a great event for the entire family. Are you going to come back next year to Franklin, Wisconsin?
We hope so. The community has given us an overwhelming response. We're really pleased to be bringing magical memories to the families here in Franklin, and we hope to be back here for many years to come. This is about building tradition with the loved ones during the holiday season, so we can't wait to see you again next year.
Oh, thank you so much. Really appreciate your help today.
Thank you.
Shopping, dining, and other activities surround the maze. Be sure and check them out.
Oh, look at these earmuffs. Those are cute. Okay, this is grandma shopping right here. All kinds of fantastic sweaters and earmuffs and socks. Look at that. They even light up. Oh, wow. More great grandma things right here. There's a Best of Wisconsin booth. You can definitely get your shopping done here. Some beautiful ornaments. Be sure to go off the beaten path. There is a live reindeer out here.
Hey, welcome back to Love Nesters. We are in Franklin, Wisconsin.
We just finished Enchant Milwaukee. Absolutely beautiful event. Be sure you take the time to get out of the maze. There's plenty of things to do outside and more photo ops.
Thanks for being here.